here we are. It's a Saturday morning. It is March the 15th. And we are on our way to see some special cars. Right now, yeah, you're looking at everything in portrait mode because I'm testing out my new Ray-Ban Metas, as you can see here. Check me out. But we'll get into full frame when we get to the place. We are heading south towards Höganäs, which is just outside the Helsingborg and Halmstad, right in between the two. It's a nice winter's day in Sweden. The sun is definitely out. It's about +4, and we are on our way to see some nice cars. So we'll get back to you when we get there.
Crazy though, V8 in a small car.
Insane. Because it ain't going to weigh a lot, is it?
The Amc Gremlin was a compact car produced by the American Motors Corporation from 1970 to 1978. It was introduced as a response to the growing demand for smaller, more affordable cars in the wake of rising fuel prices and changing consumer preferences during the late 1960s. The Gremlin was one of the first American-made subcompact cars, designed to compete with imports like the Volkswagen Beetle and other compact models from Japan. The car's design was unconventional, featuring a short, stubby rear end that gave it a distinctive, gremlin-like appearance, which is how it earned its name. It was initially marketed as a budget-friendly, practical car with good fuel efficiency and ease of maintenance. The Gremlin came in various trims, including the basic model and sportier versions, like the Gremlin X. Despite its quirky looks, the Gremlin found success in the early 1970s, particularly among younger buyers looking for an affordable vehicle. However, by the mid-1970s, consumer preferences shifted, and the Gremlin's sales began to decline. AMC attempted to keep the car relevant with updates, including new engines and trim options, but it was eventually discontinued in 1978. The Gremlin remains a nostalgic symbol of 1970s American automotive culture, with its bold, unconventional design and role in shaping the subcompact car market. The Amc Javelin was a pony car produced by the American Motors Corporation from 1968 to 1974. It was introduced to compete with other American muscle cars like the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro, offering a stylish, performance-oriented vehicle at a more affordable price point. Designed by the famed car designer Richard Teague, the Javelin featured a sleek, fastback profile and was available in various trim levels, including the performance-focused SST and the sporty AMX. The Javelin was notable for its strong performance capabilities, especially with the higher-powered V8 engine options, which helped it carve out a niche among performance car enthusiasts. AMC also introduced the Javelin AMX, a two-seater variant in 1968, further enhancing the car's sporty appeal. Throughout its production run, the Javelin saw various updates, including a restyle in 1971. Despite its performance credentials, the Javelin's sales declined in the early 1970s due to the oil crisis and changing consumer preferences towards smaller, more fuel-efficient cars. By 1974, the Javelin was discontinued as part of AMC's efforts to streamline its lineup. Though it was never as popular as its rivals, the Javelin remains a beloved classic among muscle car enthusiasts for its unique style, performance, and the role it played in American automotive history.
Whoa, whoa. And you can definitely feel the tyres are not warm. Whoa. That was pretty crazy.
Okay, Gary,
Right, matey.
here we've got the surprise.
Right.
Da da da! No 4-cylinder, no 6-cylinder.
No
V8.
6. Okay, what kind of V8 are we talking
So
about?
standard it was a 304,
Yeah.
and now it's been replaced by a 327 Chevy.
Chevy.
Yeah.
Right.
And it's actually registered with this engine, so that's a really good selling argument, because usually if you do an engine conversion you can't get it registered with that engine.
Right,
So
got
this
it.
is ready to go.
What kind of power are we talking about with this now?
Around 225 brake horsepower.
225. And this thing doesn't weigh a lot, does it?
I guess it's going to weigh, what is it, max 1,000 kilos, 1,100 kilos, approx. Which is like, this is like, you know, like most Golfs now are up to say 200 brake horsepower.
Exactly, yeah.
And this is like, this is like 1970s.
Exactly. No turbos. This is naturally aspirated. Yeah.
And the other cool thing about this car is if you have a look inside on the interior, Levi's.
Okay.
So it's a special edition Levi's with a denim inserts.
Look at that.
So talk about a unique car, not only by the style, V8 engine, Levi's interior,
Right.
When was the last time you saw one on the road?
Well, to be honest with you, I've never,
never.
ever seen one on the road.
Exactly.
Right, so we've spoken a bit about the Gremlin now. We've been seeing what it's like on the road. What's going on with this car from this point?
So this car, as I mentioned before, it's his partner is over there, and it's coming up for auction. I mean, it's such a unique car by the style, by the interior, by the engine, and just come around here, walk around there. This little man, the little Gremlin here.
Yeah.
So what do they say? Don't give it fuel after 12 o'clock at night. She'll wake up in the morning.
And you're going to have a load more of them.
You have 10 more Gremlins.
Running riot, mate. Running absolute riot. So thanks for checking out the show again today. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And just a reminder that the Javelin and the Gremlin are live at auction right now. And the address to go to is billwebauctions.se.